Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off the closed captions on your Samsung TV using three easy methods. So first of all, the most direct method is via the TV accessibility settings. For that, you just have to go to the settings of your Samsung TV. Inside the settings, you just have to go to general. Then inside the generals, you will be shown the accessibility option. Now inside accessibility, there will be the caption settings. Then when you are inside the caption settings, you are going to see the option of captions. So right next to it, you will see this type of toggle button. So you need to select it and you need to turn it off. Now on some of the newer Samsung TVs, this particular option may appear under accessibility, then hearing or subtitle settings. Now sometimes the captions are not controlled by the TV itself. So the applications like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Videos or Disney Plus has their own closed caption option available. So you will find them in the audio or subtitles, or sometimes it is with the name CC. So you just have to simply turn off the subtitles in these type of specific applications. Now if captions still appear, it means that the issue may come from the cable boxes, Roku or Fire TV or Apple TV or the gaming consoles. So these devices often include separate caption settings that override the Samsung TV settings completely. Now some of the Samsung remotes include a quick shortcut for the subtitles. So you need to simply check whether there is a CC button or the control captions button. Sometimes it is also with the name subtitles button. So if that button is available, you just have to simply press that particular button and it will be useful for turning off the closed captions. Thank you.